Let's blanch our oyster, Kapinay. It's like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 pieces only. So since we are gonna make kilawin, we're gonna blast it first to kill the bacteria. Yeah. Alright. There you go. Let's blanch it. Big. Looks like these are Pacific oysters. So we're gonna make kilawin, Kapinay. Ceviche. Filipino ceviche. Let's do this. Okay, Kapinay. Let's make our oyster kilawin. Malalaki sila. So I'm not gonna slice it. Kasi pag in-slice mo yan, yung laman ay pupunta sa juice. I like it like whole like that. Saka ka muna lang islicein pag ready mo nang kainin. So first, we're gonna put our black pepper. Black pepper and then white pepper. Dami naman. We're gonna put our ginger, pampalis ng lansa. And of course, our onion. Damihan ko ng onion. Damihan natin ng onion, Kapinay. Lemon juice, 2 lemons. Pampaluto. Yan. Simple lang naman. Filipino kilawin. Kilayin. Yan. Then, lagyan natin ng salt. Asin, kunti lang. Yan, pwede na yan. Nakakalaway naman to. Tululaway to. Yung sa lemon kasi maasin. And then, I'm gonna put some arancini peppers, Kapinay, and the juice of the arancini. Kasi kompleto ricado na itong arancini. Just to, since we don't have yung iba, since we don't have cucumber, I really don't put cucumber in my kilawin. Ayan. That's it. Mas masarap ito pag malamig, kaya ilagay natin sa refrigerator. Then magluto tayo ng catfish nuggets. Prito natin. Ayan, kakalaway. Lagay ko na lahat yung onion. I mean yung ginger. The ginger looks so fresh. Ang bango. Ayan. Ganyan lang naman. Ayan. Ayos na yan. O, diba? Ayos na yan. Lagyan natin ng arancini. Arancini juice. Yan. Okay, that's about it. Ang ating kilawin na oyster. Still kinda warm kasi nga na-blinance natin. Alright, so we're gonna put in the refrigerator. Mas masarap yan pag malamig. Appetizer. Ulam na rin yan. Ang bango. Naglalaway ako rito eh. Ayan, okay, Kapinay. Then let's cook our catfish nuggets. Malalaki, ini-slice ko sila. Alright, that's all about it. Let's have an oyster kilawin mamaya. Palamigin muna natin. Paibabawan natin ng onion. More onion. Para mas babango. Yan. Okay. Magluto na tayo ng ating catfish nuggets na binabad natin kagabi. But I'm gonna put a little milk. Pampalis din ng ano yan, ng lansa. Okay. So, we're gonna stir it up a little bit. There. We're gonna use fish fried bread in Kapinay. This is already complete. This is cornmeal. I-breading natin ang ating catfish. This is catfish belly. Okay, ganyan lang. Cornmeal Kapinay. Yun. Sarap ito. Cornmeal breading. Southern style. Yeah. Catfish. Catfish. Yun. Usually, pag nagbabatter ka, usually is like, they put first in the refrigerator to set para dumikit yung butter and then do it again. But we're not doing that now. Let's heat our oil and then let's fry. Gonna put our oil. Gonna deep fry a little bit. Deep fry ang gawin natin dito. Okay. Ayan, pwede na yan. And we'll wait for our oil to become hot. Okay, Kapinay, I think our oil is already hot. Ayan. 1, 2, 3. 3 is enough, I think. 4. 1 more. 4. And catfish and cornmeal butter. Masarap yan. Masarap yan. Masarap yan. Masarap na ulam. Hindi natin tatakpan para crispy. Hinay-hinay lang yung apoy. Okay, Kapinay, I think this is cooked. Ayan o. Nasusunog na yung parang ano na. Masusunog na yung ating cornmeal. It's good, Kapinay. Oh, ayan, oh, sarap. Good. Ganun. Wow, so good. Tastes like butter. It melts in your mouth. Oh, Okay, Kapinay, we're done with our catfish. Yan, hawakan ko na. There, it's our catfish. Buttered catfish, Kapinay. It melts in your mouth. Then I put tartar sauce in it. Yun, sarap yan. And we're gonna have some vegetable too. Ayan, kain na. Sarap, sarap yan, Kapinay. Let's eat. Yun. Okay, first bite for you, Kapinay. Okay, Kapinay, nakaluto na tayo. Mag-ulam na tayo. Ito yung, meron tayong chicharong kawali. Kunting kanin. At ito na yung ating oyster. This is our oyster that we made last night. Naging pink na yung juice because we put a pink onion. They're so big. So baby could only eat one. And then, we also have eggplant salad. Ang nilagay ko dito ay mushroom bagoong. It's not that salty. Ang maganda lang sa mushroom bagoong, there's no, hindi malansa. But it's not as salty as the real bagoong. But it's good if you like a healthier bagoong, I guess, without the bagoong taste. You could use the mushroom bagoong. It's from the Philippines. It's the product of the Philippines. Okay, kain na tayo, Kapinay. Yan o, eggplant salad. This is our lechong kawali. It's good. Of course, masarap kasi taba. Oh my God. The oyster so big. I don't have my knife, but we will use Filipino style. Yeah, we use our fork or spoon as our knife, right? Okay. So good, Kapinay. Sarap. Linamnam. Nahulog yung kanin. Look at my eggplant salad, Kapinay. With green onions, red onion, tomato, lemon, and the mushroom bagoong. Yum. Yung mushroom bagoong ay hindi maamoy. Okay, alright. Enjoy your cooking, Kapinay. Let's eat. Enjoy. Thank you for watching.